Hello, Paul here, the creator of IBMC, Internet Business Mastery Course, the founder of Vision and Talent. In this brief episode, I want to share with you some of the things that you need to do, how to build your expert empire. The things you need to do to start building your expert empire. One of the key things you need to do is to be an expert in something. So, number one is subject. What subject are you expert in? You must start thinking. Do what I call audits. Audit of all the knowledge that you have and choose a topic, a subject that you want to be known for, and then dive in deep and wide in that subject. So anybody thinks about that subject, you are number one to come up. So number one is subject. Then the stories. How are you going to share your subject? You must be able to weave in stories in your subject to bring it alive. Number three is strategies. What strategies are you going to use? Are you going to start writing books and so on and so forth? What strategies are you going to use to build your empire? Are you going to start by writing books? Which part of the empire do you want to use? As a speaker, as an author, or as a coach, or as a seminar leader, or as an information marketer? So you have to think about the strategies you want to adopt. And then number four is you must have products you can sell. You must have products that you can sell. If you do not have products, then you're not going to be able to build any empire. So you must have something to sell. That will be the nucleus, the product that you start with one product and then you broaden as time goes on. So products. And then you must put in place a sales process. You should make it so simple that somebody goes to maybe a website, there is a shopping cart, the person presses the button, and before you know it, you have made a sale. So if you do not have a sales process, I'm talking about automated sales process, you're not going to make a lot of impact. So sales process is one of them. And then social media presence. A lot of us say we are so shy, we don't like to be on social media. I was talking to a friend the other day, said, I can never be on social media, and so on and so forth. Then if you do not want to be on social media, then you should count yourself out as somebody who wants to be an expert. I encourage all of my students, even myself, I was very, very shy when I started. Even if you look at my profile, I didn't put my picture there, but you must be, all right? And you have to choose some of them, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and make sure that you position yourself there, and then create good profile of yourself that people can identify with, right? So social media presence, and then systems and structures in place. Do not be a lone wolf. You must build a business. If to build a business, you must have systems in place. You must have systems. You must have structures in place. Like shooting this video, you must have systems for shooting the video, for designing even the studio that you use. Accounting, management, HR, you must put structures in place. So it's not just you being a self-employed person. You must have a business in place. For you to have a business, you must have systems and structures. And then you must have self-confidence. You must have self-confidence. What brings about self-confidence? One of the key things that will bring about self-confidence is that you are well-read and well-exposed. You are well-read and exposed. So, if you do not have self-confidence, then you will not be able to even teach other people. You will not have a teachable point of view. You will not have a position. You will not have good perspective. One of the things that I found out that makes for self-confidence is Toastmasters Club. When you learn to speak, you learn to reduce your inhibitions, and that's where self-confidence comes in. So, if you think of generating self-confidence involving, it's not something that happens overnight. Then you just have to build Self-confidence yourself. Join Toastmasters Club. That's one of the steps. Don't forget, it's a long journey. All right. If you don't take any action today, then you remain where you are. But if you start taking action today, in the next 18 months, nobody will remember you. Or will I say that's not the same guy? Then you have changed. Your self-confidence will explode. Right. And finally, be service-minded. Talking about service mindset. A lot of people believe that there's money to be made, and they're money conscious. I'm not saying being money conscious is wrong, but it's not money, is a byproduct of service. A lot of people just believe that is something you can just go and then start gathering the money on the floor. No, you must produce. You must put the customer first. Know that you are going out there to serve the customer, serve your clients, serve your customers. When you do that, money will come as a byproduct of what you do. So, what are the three things you are trying to do? You are trying to create impact, you are trying to create influence, and then you are trying to create income. But income is last. If you do every other thing you have said here well, in excellent way, the income will come and you have built your expert empire. Thank you.